Salamat.
Thank you, Kuya.
Romeo.
Yeah. Yeah. Kuya. Bye-bye.
What did you say?
Are you going home?
Yeah. Bye, bye, Romeo. He's doing the jack-o'-lanterns. Where? Why not? Monkey. You ain't that far? Okay. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna tell them to stay tuned to the end, right? That way they stay. They start doing things like that. I think that's how Ryan gets people to stay during his whole video. He tells them something he's gonna tell them at the end. Yeah. Yeah. I can put them together. Are you gonna go to market and get some food? Are you gonna go to Jollibee? Yeah. Who don't? I never said I don't like Jollibee. Is it their house? Not their house? There you go, right there. But I don't want you to get mad. I'm not gonna get mad. Yeah, I like the camera because I can just take it straight up there. Walk around with it, it don't matter. As long as I keep the picture. I'll put my picture. What? Yeah, but we can still go there one day. Not today. That one was enough for a day. That one. If they ever fix that place up, it'll be nice. But over here, if you watch to the left, there'll be a sign on the wall for a resort. I would like to find that. I can find it. It's not far from the house. I seen it one day when I was walking, remember? When I walked. There. Maybe there. Looking for it. If I don't do it when I see it, I won't never do it. I will forget if I don't do it right when I see it. I think it's right around here somewhere. We're looking. So, this side. Right in here. Yeah, there's another little, I'm filming. There's another little, some of this will make it, but there's some red horse right there. Sawali. Right there. Let's see where it is. Sawali. So we're going back to Sawali and see if we can find it. Maybe just look. I'm not not gonna stay at this one, but I'm gonna at least know where it is, right? At least know where it is. We can do a big turnaround. Sawali, here it is. It's an event center.
We can go back next time.
Yeah, so here's the next one we're gonna find. It looks like a great garden. So I think we'll just come back because we've got so many today. And we will come back and we will do it next time. If they will let us. Sawali. That's what it's called, guys. Yeah, so now we're going to go to the market. Let Betty out. No, we're going to go to the Jollibee. Aren't we? You want to go get something in the market? I don't know if they got a swimming pool or what there. We got people here. This is Santa Lucia. The White House. Right there. Yeah, this is Santa Monica. We're already in Santa. We're coming up on the school. Cell tower up there, guys. This is the little Santa Lucia place. Let's take Oh, it's garbage day. We should be out here putting garbage. Maybe it'll be gone later. Oh, what time have you got, Mom? What time do you have? Yeah, is it? We can't get anything but breakfast anywhere. Breakfast back there. You go see your mom. You go back get some Pentatone, come on. Pentatone. Yeah. It's her favorite place. But that's it. Bacon. Egg. I'll be back. Go get that short stuff. Got to go by our kids. There's our old apartment right there with the black car. The rat hole, I call it. I said the rat hole, I call it. No, I'm just kidding. There's our siesta. Here is the college. Holy cross, blue one. Then, guys, a recap. Some of you haven't ever seen this before. So on the left is the elementary. And there's a pretty nice little villa right there. Villa Luisa. When we get up here, we're almost to the wet market. The wet market will be on the right, and on the left will be Jollibee. We'll go to see if they got any. Anyway. Yeah, right in the middle. He didn't pull over nothing. So, I'm on phone. There's that truck I was in front of, but now guess what? I'm behind it. And on the right is wet market. Up ahead of us is the that are cut metal